Guys, today we're going to talk about arithmetic and geometric sequences. Okay, first, the arithmetic sequence is one in which you add or subtract the same number each time. So, let me find. Okay, so 2, you plus 2, you plus 2, you plus 2, and it keep goes forever. And those are called the arithmetic sequences, and it just looks like that because you add the same value each time, so it will remain the same straight linear function. And for geometric sequence, it is what you multiply or divide by the same number each time. So like you times it by 2, times it by 2, times it by 2, times it by 2, so it'll get bigger and bigger, so it'll look like this, just like this over here. And one thing more is good to know for like SAT subject test level 2. It is good to know this thing for arithmetic sequence. D and minus 1 plus C. D is the difference, and C is the A1, which is the starting number, and N is the like the number what they want. Like let's say 9 is second, or like 5th, or like 101. It doesn't matter. The question will tell you which end to get the solution for. So this would be the formula for the arithmetic solution. Sequence. And for geometric sequence, it would be A R n minus 1. This will be an. This is the first number, first term, and n would be the equal as this thing over here. And r is the common ratio. Like over here would be 2, so common ratio. Okay, this is really important to know, and not really in ACT, but like some in SAT subject test, so be sure. Okay, next we have some examples. What is the sixth term of the arithmetic sequence that has a common difference between the terms of 5, the first term of 2, and the second term of 7? Okay, let's see. Has a common difference between terms of 5. So 5 is the difference, and the first term of 2 and the second term of 7. So sixth term, let's use that function I told you, d and minus 1 plus c. So the d would be 5, and they're asking us to get the sixth term, so it will be 6 minus 1 plus the first term, which is 2. This would equal, this is 5 times 5, 25 plus 2, it will be 27. For these like easy ones, you can just write it down: 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, and 27. You can get it like this. But for like big numbers, like if they say to get like 900 term, it will not be easy for you to like do one by one, but way easier to use this formula over here. Okay, next question. What is the third term of a geometric sequence that has a term first term of 81 and a common ratio of 1/3? Okay, so this was the formula. Okay, first term, which is 81, and r is the common ratio, and n minus 1, n is 3 minus 1. Okay, let's see. So this is 2, and 1/3. 2 is 1 to the 9th, and 81, which is 9, so it will be 9. So this is how you solve it. So we talked about arithmetic and geometric sequences, and this is the end of the class.